Natalie Berth here, working on a profile review for Rosalie. Uh, just a couple of thoughts right off the bat. Obviously, the dreaded gray square. We want to put down what exactly she brings to the table or what she wants to do or where she really wants to work in a declarative statement. I am generally not in like a big fan of the either AI or cartoon visuals for pictures here for a lot of reasons. It may be okay though because of what she actually does, right? She's a Premiere Pro editor. She knows like this is her world is working in cartoons. So or graphic design, I should say. What I would like to see here is she has I clicked through on this and I'm not sure. I'm guessing this is stuff that she's worked on, in which case she needs to call this my portfolio rather than just this is a list of, it looks like these are just videos that she's interested in, but I don't actually think that that's the case, in which case let's call it your portfolio. Let's call it check out my portfolio or something like that. Uh, we also want the opportunity to later on, obviously, do whatever we can to get rid of these, get rid of the old stuff, get rid of dates, stuff like that. She limits the skills to 10, which I love because it's very, very direct. But the last time she received recommendations was in 2008. Let's go and get those people we've worked with, clients, customers, colleagues, get some folks doing on that. She's also worked on a lot of really amazing projects based on what I've been able to see. Let's bring that in there too. Talk about the projects. If there are opportunities where she's been quoted or what have you, you can also add them to the publishing section, depending on what's going on with that. She has also told me that she is a kick ass grassroots organizer who wants to combine her broadcast, video, social experience and her desire to make a difference. If that's what she's looking for, then she needs to talk about that. She needs to talk about that in conversations where she is posting, or if she sees something that she finds really interesting, she reposts with comments. She talks about that. She can create also her headline to reflect where her interests lay, right? Also, where she's most recently worked in schooling, even in 2025, that tends to be a little bit more important, but that's okay. Anyway, so she just has an opportunity to bring in what some of the examples are, maybe even doing a website if she wants to highlight her activist work or the kind of work that she's done, if she's done any volunteer work for that, put that in the volunteer section, and then also add another uh, uh, portfolio that is specific towards activism. Okay. Thank you to Rosalie for allowing me to review your profile.